How to reduce photo size on Android. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So some websites or applications may require a photo size of smaller size. So to check your photo size, you can click on the three dots and then click on Details. So right now you can see this image is 2.9 MB. The easiest way to reduce photo size on Android is to take a screenshot. So the easiest way to reduce photo size on Android is to take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, slide down from the top, then select the screenshot option. So if I open up the screenshot that I have just taken, then click on the three dots and click on Details, you can see the size has been reduced to 526 KB. You can also reduce photo size by sending it in one of the messaging apps such as Messenger, Viber, or WhatsApp, and then downloading the photo that you have sent. Another way is to download an app through Play Store. So you can open Play Store and you can type reduce photo size. So you can choose one of these apps to compress your image. So this is how to reduce photo size on Android. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.